viewers, we are here tonight with a very special program. We are here to present and to award our viewers, people that have been with us from day one. So tonight, although the program is titled Legal Hour, it wouldn't be focused much on the legal aspect or law, but then obviously to award people. So I'm going to be here with my usual guest, lawyer Thomas Bebenyo from Citi Law Solicitors. This awards night program that we're bringing to you tonight is proudly sponsored by Citi Law Solicitors. And of course, you can listen to this program on our radio, Citi Media Radio. It's on Facebook and of course on our YouTube channel. So it's very exciting and it's going to be very entertaining. There are so many people that we started with. There are a lot of people that have been with us through thick and thin. So tonight we need to appreciate and acknowledge them. And of course we've got more to offer. I don't want to beat about the bush. So I'll be inviting lawyer very soon to join me to do this presentation. And of course we will do the acknowledgement as well. So please make sure you invite your friends, you invite your family, everyone to share. And I'll let lawyer give a quick update on a speech that has been delivered by the Home Office Secretary. So please make sure that you stay tuned, and then of course you get your friends, everyone on board to enjoy the program as well. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Christmas is just around the corner, and as you can see, I'm in my Christmas mood. And of course, lawyer will be as well, because we are celebrating this festive with everyone. So please stay tuned. We will be right back. Don't go away. right, viewers, we are back. Lawyer, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
I like our festive, costumes.
I've got some flashy light in there.
Of course you have. And I've got for that Christmas button right there. Oh my days. So tonight we're here to obviously award our famous listeners, people that have been sharing this program, and of course viewers, and acknowledge them as well. Very interesting program that we have tonight. It's not going to be focused much on law, but wherever there's a lawyer, of course something needs to be discussed. Is that not true? Because I know there's an update. So I'll just give you about 2 minutes, please. I want you to give us a quick update on the speech that the Home Office Secretary just delivered. What's her name again? Is it Miss
Priti Patel?
Patel.
Yes, Priti Patel.
Okay.
Yes.
So please, a quick update on that, and then we will continue our awards night. Please.
Yes.
Go on.
Obviously, this is. I must say that we are thankful to the viewers who have been there throughout the years supporting this program. It's a family.
Of course.
And it's more or less a community that we've been building for some time. And it's always a privilege that we have this opportunity to interact with them. So it's quite nice. Yes, today I don't want us to talk about so much about law, because today is going to be an awards night.
Of course.
Obviously. Reading the Bible, when people work so hard, priests and all that, they get opportunity to eat from their labor. So
that's it.
so tonight we're going to, but that is the matter for you to discuss.
Yeah.
But to give a little bit of update. I did give that obviously on Tuesday when I was here alone, but obviously I can repeat what I said on Tuesday. The Home Secretary gave a speech on the 16th of December, end of year speech.
Okay.
And in that speech, I picked 2 areas which I felt that was quite relevant to discuss with viewers. And also there has been a lot of apprehension or anxiety for some of the bills that are going through Parliament. And in fact, a lot of people are much concerned. It's all over the news and all that. But if I should say, the part that concerns a lot of people is the fact that the maximum sentence for people who will be convicted of having lived here illegally, knowingly having lived here illegally, has been extended to 4 years. So that's the maximum sentence. And people must know that this is a bill that is going through Parliament. And this bill, my understanding is that during the 3rd reading, it received 67 majority. So it's most likely that this bill will go through. It's likely that there will not be amendments to it. So people are going to be alarmed that if somebody is apprehended and is knowingly living here illegally, then he can receive a maximum custodial sentence of 4 years. And I'm sure that most lawyers have already been seeing a lot of this on various platforms. But the fact is that some of these things have been there, and they are enshrined in the Immigration Act 1971. And it's there that people who lived here illegally could be sentenced to 6 months. So people should not be alarmed that this is not something that is new. And I'm sure you are a probation officer, so you know that whenever such things are meant to happen, there will be sentencing guidelines.
Of course, yeah.
So many factors will be taken into account.
Could be encroached into that, yeah.
So many things will be taken into account, and judges will be furnished with the sentencing guidelines and the factors they should look into.
Yeah.
So I want to entreat people that if they've received all this news all over the place, they should not be alarmed. They should enjoy their Christmas, because this is something that has always been there, and it is very rarely used. The prisons, most of them are already full. And obviously when people are taken to detention, they are entitled to bail. We discuss the bail, unlawful detention, and then the right to bail. We discuss it on this platform. People who have not had opportunity to watch, you can say go and watch it. It's still on the platform. So that's what I want to say for that. But I also want to talk about the fact that we are no longer in the EU. The Home Secretary also touched on that. Now, having left the European Union present two difficulties, and also comes in its trail opportunities as well. Now, I want to talk about opportunities first, and then we can look at some of the difficulties. Obviously, because of the Citizens' Rights Regulation 2020, there is no longer free movement of EU family members and their EU citizens and their family members, or third country family members, which is those who are Ghanaians, Nigerians, Cameroonians, and all those people. They are no longer entitled to that free movement right anymore. But obviously, there is a licensing system which allows people to also apply to sponsor workers from abroad, especially those in the shortage area. And the Home Secretary wants people to look at this as an opportunity to be able to attract global talents. So you realize that people in Ghana, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, all those people, we discussed this on this platform, Appendix, skilled worker. It allows them to apply from abroad and then join their employers here. So it's also an opportunity for people to look into it. Those who own businesses here, if they want to apply for the sponsorship license, they are able to do that. Churches are encouraged to do it. They can also recruit priests and charity workers to come in. So it's an opportunity for people to recruit globally talents that will be able to assist them in whatever area of their business. So that is something that the Home Secretary also spoke about. Now, the other thing is that even though we have left the European Union, and we know that they also introduced the settlement scheme, which has been ongoing for a long time now, the Home Secretary also made it clear that this scheme, which was meant to end on the 30th of June 2021, which as a result of people complaining that most people were not aware that the scheme was going to end and they should allow people to do late applications. The good news is that these late applications are going to be in place indefinitely. And this is what the Home Secretary said. I'm not the one saying it, it's a fact. It's not just a fiction. So people who can demonstrate that they formed their relationship before December 2020, including those who want to bring their family members abroad. Obviously, they have restricted those family members to children, parents, grandparents, along those nuclear lines. They are still entitled to sponsor those family members abroad to join them, provided they themselves have these pre-settled status or settled status here. So, though the free movement right has ended, the late applications are going to be there indefinitely, according to the Home Secretary. So this is a good news for the European Union citizens who are living here and their family members. So this is more or less the summary of the speech. I know he spoke about crime and all that, but that is a matter.
Another area to explore.
Yes.
So viewers, hopefully next year we're going to dig deep into that and make sure that we sort of we get to the basis of that. But I'm sure lawyer is taking everything into consideration, and there'll be a lot of loopholes to support people. Is that not correct?
Well, I wouldn't say we are. I always say that.
No, I mean,
I always say that as lawyers, we are there to represent the best interests of our clients.
Yeah, but of course, you explore.
Yes.
From my area, because when it comes to enforcement, that is my fault. You know what I mean? I'm very strict, and the nature of my job, I always have to make sure that I focus on the enforcement part of everything.
Yeah.
So when it goes to lawyers, they are quite flexible in terms of helping you, because there are a lot of people who come to the criminal justice, they've offended a lawyer and say no, he didn't do it. You know what I mean? So if I say the loop, so they try to get people to escape.
Yeah, they have to represent
exactly
their best interests, of course.
Yeah. So I'm sure you come up with something to help people in their interest, and of course to support them. So thank you very much. We're not going to focus too much on the law today or tonight, but then it's going to be on awards tonight. Let me ask you this, and we're going to mix it in Twi as well. We speak Twi and English because this is for all our viewers in Ghana and of course in the UK. We've not done a Twi presentation. So, lawyer, quick question: what motivated you to do this? I mean, Citi Law, in terms of bringing a studio, very, I don't know, but then it's really nice, and you've got all the equipment, and then radio, TV. What motivated you to do that in the first place?
Yes, thank you so much. When we had this COVID, everything changed, and in fact, the way we even worked has changed.
Of course.
Previously, we used to carry level of papers. Even when you're going to the court, you carry bundle of paper documents. These days, everything is sent out electronically.
Yeah.
So the system has changed, and obviously, most people call me or call the office. By God's grace, we are quite busy because we try to do the best for our clients.
Of course, yeah.
And so we're looking at a way, because I can see that these days people sometimes call me occasionally to ask one question or the other. Those questions are no longer coming because those who have been following us, we give them the updates.
Of course,
so,
yeah.
so
that they get what they want already.
Yes, they get that information, which is good. Somebody will say that has it not in a way affected your revenue?
Exactly, yeah.
We have, obviously, corporate social responsibility to the community. And therefore, we felt that setting up the studio will be a very good platform to reach out to clients, and also to sometimes when a lot of information going out there, some people get terrified and all that. Because I remember somewhere in April 2021, this April, there was this news that all EU residents who have applied for the settlement scheme and were still holding on to their old cards were going to be illegal. That was completely wrong. And the information was all over the place. People were calling in. People were terrified that they felt that even though they've done a settlement scheme, they still have to get a new card. So the Easter message, I dwell specifically on it, and then came out with Easter message, trying to correct those false messages that have been put out there, terrifying people. So we felt that having a studio will be a very good platform for us to be able to reach out to people and also to give a lot of updates to people. And I'm very happy that people have also accepted that it's a good thing that we are doing for the community. And most of them always come and watch us.
I mean, it is. Sometimes people, I'll be out there playing music on the street, and people, are you MC Chaka? I say, yeah. Oh, we've been watching your program with Lawyer, and you guys are doing very well. So I mean, I'm taking all the fans because I'm more exposed outside. So anyway, thank you very much for throwing some light. So in fact, I mean, it's very thoughtful of you and the firm, obviously, to make sure that you still deliver and give information to viewers in light of this pandemic and the predicament that we've got ourselves into. So thank you very much, lawyer, to you and to Citi Law as well.
Remember, we have,
of course, that's what I'm saying.
We have a lot
I see you here all the time, but then there's a very big umbrella which I need to obviously extend.
All the Citi Law stuff.
I mean, so all the colleague people that works at Citi Law, I say kudos to everyone, because you guys are doing an amazing job helping the African community, and you guys are really rated very high in the UK and in the world, because people know you from everywhere. Last time we had phone calls from different parts of the world. You deal with people in Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Ghana, so many countries now. So you guys are doing well. Kudos to the good work. And my New Year resolution, my message to you guys, to Citi Law, is that may God help you and extend and expand this industry or this firm, and may everything that you guys desire come through, and may you continue to help people and win more cases.
As Elder Chuck, amen.
Okay, so tonight is special. It's for energy awards night. Na adofo bi mu ene ye ne hyase. Na adofo bi mu da so di echi. Enti Citi Law adwempa a wo mu kyerɛ mu ntino ene omo say omo be ma awards ye be budin na afi akyɛde sonko a wo ho a yɛse ye de ma adofo bi omo ne ya ba no ye de amon. Edi sabre wo hwa a obia nhye, because ye be budin pa ene a month for madi echi atai echi from say a starting program no be seen na omo share program your different categories of awards anyway. Akyɛde sonko wa ha. So mo hwɛ former de bebree sisi ya na de be no kwa be fast me be tudwa. Enti sabre no ye da mo nyina ma se. So me hwɛ Facebook link na omo hwɛ sisi ya na ye entry Thanos upon Senior Pie Stone on the Yere Stonewall, Senior Pie Stone and your wife Big Stonewall all in Holland, Amsterdam, I guess. Meaning say mo hwɛ nyame hyamo say mo koso na mutie na mo hwɛ. Afei Karen Asari Smith, Karen why are dear pa say the bia wo hwɛ na wa acknowledge na my motivation. Thank you very much. Jenna Edu say yeah me nua moda great mod na fisher po we say afei here den mame tonka it was pa the bia so hwɛ na wo hwɛ it was Nana Yao Ousu Efrifa. Nana, good evening, Farm and Uncle Thomas. Forgive me for being late here. It's your nephew Isaac Dako. Ike, your church yao. Maybe I should be William Wache, Senior BM. Senior say, Merry Christmas, my bosses. It's been a lovely year. All your teachings have enlightened us so much. God bless you. Senior BM, amount for the victory. Yeah. Senior. Okay. Yeah, Owusu Boateng. Good evening, my brother. Good evening, Owusu. Good evening. Akuya Aji, my dear. I'm seated. Akuya, we are ready for you. Get seated. Okay. And she turned on saying, Majima Kunya Anna Meja. Yes, Charlie, my tree is gone. So first, let me carry tree, but he say me can't be bread. Majima Kunya Anna Meja. That's right. Senior, sit down, get seated. We are waiting for you. Akuya Ajimai, Merry Christmas to you guys in advance. Thank you very much. Thank you, Akuya Ajimai. Anna Fosua, Merry Christmas to our MC and lawyer. Merry Christmas to our Anna Fosua. Merry Christmas. Richmond Akwesi Ake, that is my Mema Brown from Ashanti Mampong. Hey, Brown, Mampong finest. Was it a Merry Christmas to the team. Thank you very much. Go Brown. Thank you. Andy Savio, yes, the best midfielder. This guy should have been Messi. He's the Messi of Asante Mampong. Anyway, Savio, y'all saw there. Yeah, so dear, very great footballer. Yow, Macron, I'm managing him anyway. Yow, Merry Christmas to you, boss. You guys are doing marvelous job. Pa. Thank you very much, Yow, so dear. Thank you. Jenna says, Merry Christmas to you all. Fred Chedanso, that is Pastor Danso. Pastor says, Merry Christmas. And Afesua, Amen. Priscilla White, Merry Christmas. Nana Yao Ufosu Afrifa. Wow, I'm going to get my award. Kai! And then they'll pay a bit. Nana, check your records. Anyway, Nana Yao Ufosu Afrifa. Nana, thank you very much. Your motivation has been. Abrantepa Kwame Asare. Yes, that's my boy. Hey, brother, I hope you're doing very well. We are silently observing. Good. I know you've been observing. Thank you very much. You need to contact me. We need to talk anyway. Sapon Ejitano, show no, yeah, pabene. Woo! Do you understand the meaning of that?
No.
Show no, yeah, pabene. Meaning the show is great.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is typical you.
I'm learning.
Yeah, Ejitano is great. And he goes, I like your outfit. Green in the blood forever. I don't have green. You know,
you have the green there.
Yeah, but I mean, Prempeh College, our blood is green.
Oh.
Yeah, so if you hear that word green in the blood, then that means it's for Prempeh boys.
Okay.
Okay, what school when I go here?
St. John's.
Oh, now you're school prefect, my boy.
Yeah.
Hey, SP Bad to us, I know. St. John's. St. John's SP. Hey, John Thomas was a leader from day one, you know. Okay, St. John's. I remember we made back, okay, I was in the mates, you know, now.
Yeah.
But because now bomb machi rough. SP.
Oh yeah.
No more guests for.
Oh, it's
No, because school guests, more guests, no more guests. School secondary school any guests. Yeah, guests. Yeah, Prempeh here 2 guests. Now you walk.
I'm Bishop Potter guest.
Hey, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I guess no more for fair from who dress here.
You see.
No more to trouble that. Hey. Wow. Hey, lawyer. Tell you this one there for you. Anyway, and I was night that I need you that. It'll be say when you may a shy, I'm a fake, aqua pro about between Citi Media. I shall see now a free neighbor, Yamia dominating team. In him saying Yamedia qua adumu, I could pay adumu. 18 I was night, and a baby would be match a day. Now, lawyer, you be say. I was night, you be say.
Yeah.
You were do for Jumedi Omo. Your 3 areas: Facebook, your YouTube, and your radio. Inti be so chichim kakra. Said the award no be siako na me ka me hu be a me di free na ma kire say enipa we am an award because of this the why intia to me sawa chichim kakra ma me.
Yes, the channel say I will say this in English and in Chi. What we've decided to do is we looked at people that regularly, every time we are live, they are there. They share the videos, you know, they make comments. I mean, they are actively engaged in the show. So we've looked at those people and we feel that they deserve awards. You know, then we've also, that's for the Facebook. We've also looked at very distinguished people who have referred clients. Some clients, they are clients, but they also refer so many clients because they are so grateful for. Some people, when they hear the good news, they keep it to themselves. But some clients, when you do work for them, they keep on referring people to you because they are very, very grateful for what you've done. So we've also looked at that area, and then we're also going to give some awards for those people, obviously. And then we are also looking at the radio, those because Citi Media Radio is also there. There are some people who are always listening, they enjoy the music, they enjoy the media hour. So we've also selected people there who will be giving awards to them or gifts to them. And then we'll be looking at the IT section, those people who have also in supporting us.
Anytime we get, technical issues and stuff like that,
they are there.
They are very quick to resolve the issue, and we are back to bring the program.
They sort out flyers and all that.
It
will surprise you that some of these flyers that we put out there is some of these clients that or trainees that we've dealt with, that they've just dedicated their time to be doing this all the time. They just love the fact that we are here to educate the public and to do some of these things. So we are also going to award them. So we're looking at about 4 areas of it. For an energy, I'm sure that we cannot give award to everybody.
That's right.
So we just selected these few people.
This is just the beginning. So obviously,
yes. So,
but then I'll acknowledge a lot of people that I can at the maximum that I can. So obviously to make sure that they become part of the program. So let me still acknowledge people that are watching us. Nana Yao Owusu Afrifa says, wow, I'm going to get my awards. Nana, when Yama Bumio, Edward Kofi or say, hi V Mays, charge. Hey.
Oh, say, yeah.
V Mays. That is the spirit. You know what I mean? Spirit of vandalism. V Mays, thank you very much, Edward. I wish I could see your.
Edward is. Edward is V-mate. He just lived around this area.
Oh, okay. Edward, next time when I see you, we're going to charge.
I'm sure.
Trust me. I'm kind of charging
when
anyway.
You see, you remember,
I'm a typical Vanda. And Chitano says, I like your outfit. Okay, aren't you afraid? Mark Barnes, that's Ni Simple Store says he's watching. Akuya Ajimaidia is watching. Nana Frima says, sorry, I'm late. Nana, you are late today, but you are still here anyway. Thank you very much for coming, Nana. Mauji Yao Nyahudate. Do you know him? Mauji Yao Nyahudate. The name is a tip. Mauji Yao Nyahudate. This is Commander Lexus. Yeah. We made Commander Lexus. Yes, from America. Commander, I salute you. Big salute. Merry Christmas, Commander. Abrantipaya Asari, brother. My award should be lifetime consulting. That's what I want. Brother, you are my nephew. Okay? So I'm your uncle. Don't worry. Consultation, you don't have any problem. If that is what you want, you'll get it. Okay? Good. But then make sure you contact me. We need to talk, brother. Karen Asari Smith, Joe, and lawyer. I hope I get mine as well. Karen, you get yours, but of course later on. We spoke about that anyway. All right, Karen. Nana Yao Owusu Afrifa, Uncle T, and the MC. Moye guy wate. God bless you all. Hey, Charlie, who is this guy? Nana Yao Owusu Afrifa.
Yeah, it's
Nana, well done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
He's one of
Thomas. Okay. Nana Yao Owusu says, Uncle, your Xmas wear not to blink. Blink what?
I got some blinking stuff.
With your blink. What are Jay-Z blink? Okay, so Peter Atakra, I'm also watching you live. Oh, that's my uncle. You know what? Have you heard of this guy called a ship dealer?
Ship dealer?
Yes.
Wow, that's a powerful name.
Hey, Thomas, you don't know ship dealer?
No.
Wow. You need to research and look for this guy, ship dealer.
I will.
His program is one of the best in Kumasi, and even in Ghana, everyone should know ship dealer. Okay. Because he's well known. And last time he was going to come on our show last week.
Okay.
Yeah, my uncle will bring him on the show.
All right.
Yeah. Great. So Uncle Peter, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. My regards to ship dealer. Tell him I'm broke. So he needs to dash me one of the ships. Because people like Adoma Kutiki, they are all ship dealers right now because he's sorted them out with ships. Yeah. So, Uncle, my regards to the ship dealer. Okay. Nana, you're also from Uncle. Your Xmas wear no your blink. Okay, I've read this. Here again. All right, that's a copycat. So yeah, we are here and we're going to kick off. We're going to start very soon. Ship dealer is an old boy of Premier College. He was in Sewa House. You see? He's an amount for senior ship dealer. That's right. It's a warehouse. Pa. God bless you all, Safo Kantanka. So today it's been very vibrant. I like the response that I'm getting. But Tommy, because it's time to acknowledge people from your head, people that you know, people that you think they've been watching this program. Program now. This is an opportunity. Before I go to that, I want you to give them shout out. I want you to call their names and then appreciate what they've been doing for you. Okay, people that on top of your head, please, no pressure.
I have Madam Georgina Ajay, she's always there. I have Nana Frima, I have Cornelia, I have Priscilla White, I have Afrifa Azektako. That's
so many.
I have Daniel Hene, I have there's so many names I can't mention, whatever we can like that. So many. But there's some names that
you can
constantly, they are always there. They share the videos and then they every time, Douglas.
Oh, Douglas, yeah, Doggy
is always
Doggy, yeah, I'm on for senior Douglas. I'm on for Doggy.
Yeah,
he's always sharing. Anyway, will come anyway, but let me acknowledge people. They might not be in the list because I don't have any clue what you've got on the list.
Yeah.
But let me just, on top of my head, acknowledge people that have been supporting this program. Okay, so let me start from my mom. Nana Yanyako. That's my mother's name. Ohima Yanyako. Yes. Or a secret observer. They be or share. Or say I know mommy di. I know my body. So thank you very much. And I was say the be sister Yanyako. Nana hima Yanyako. Mampo hima Yanyako. Now oh share to those two women to now for phone and I'm over here bano. Aye, and then I acknowledge you into why I did. Say the be or share. I mean sharp. 25th ube home. Intimba ubenya special award. I mean sure pass wa share. Before obi nwa me call me mama penny back with friend Monica Donko.
Yes.
Mama Monica or Ghana. Mama is so proud of this program and they be Kwame manage mo ho ade amo ye no me fe manage mo de bia mama thank you very much. We are snit now or snit boss or the secretary.
Oh, I see.
Not until you are retired, but no penny phone in pa mama. I think seven me no corner order. Lakeside. Yeah, maybe I'm say I don't know, but because Ghana no, me mama penny back one, meaning no agro crown. If you are me about Anita.
Oh, Anita, yeah, I remember.
Yes, Anita on the fountain.
Yeah.
Anita, Avon champion or one of their executive sellers on new agro crown. Osasu only on one company, friend of discount shopper. Anita eton no mako Ghana or bibia na opese obi your shopping mall pa o kroma dia na wo Ghana. Anita beso container crop here. Anita, thank you very much, mommy, for sharing this program. Oni ukru ni woman Merry Christmas to you all. Minu akwesi apia also Ghana. Akwesi yana ntafo nyina here no onso ye dwuma snet Mama Monica Banano. Akwesi, thank you very much for sharing this program all the time. Okay, Karen, me da say sir we share programming now de bia also na ye woman ye koso. Mommy you Cassius wife over Manchester. Yamin show say the bia we share programming ma ekoso. Afei amampo for J AAA, daughter of Akwesi Ampofo.
Wow. Ama, we have some great names here.
Yes. Ama Nyamisha ona ye apomdim komo e wo Wuntimi radio. Ama Nyamisha o midwife na o share program in match say me dwen ho a entiase. Senior BM also share program all the time. Amanfo Nyamisha. Samuel Afarijan, Sam, our number 1 EC femate. Sam Nyamisha ono yere ene obusua. Say the bia mo share programming Nyamisha pa and so. Many a baby wo Coventry friend Juliet Duve. Now, my friend, dear, my friend, Mrs. I confirm because the crew DJ I confirm.
Wow.
Mrs. I confirm. Yamin show Juliet said the beer we share programming, we share beer, me who say, we share nyame inshra pa. Eti dina na mebo bono. Me wo obi o mampon. Che say e ma ho ho de bia se de enipa isi share program na me dwene ho amete ase. Your friend D-boy. D-boy. I mean, Medoka, I owe you, okay? Me ankasa personally, me de, ever said 200 Ghana, about 2 accounts mu, na odi atenase afi, na odi ajiweni amame. Because they say they among for bo dinner D-boy share program in a debiano a share the be among for can me the so to form was say yes. Boy Juma papa D-boy. It is I mean show D-boy. It is me ankasa me program here. Me transfer 200 Ghana cedis. Na me to accounts mo because so who Ghana on here na what they are ye or normal. What they are ye do be ye. What they are tenase call the point and I say a nest. And I baby a woman for be episode could be oh the look at just never do any afimo for sharing this program. Okay. Also Madika Bonchitano Senior Tano Mechechao also no ye more Holland Amsterdam we share program be panya min shamo say muguso the bia na mo share Jenna edu say mother nyamin shao so share Pastor Chedan so Pastor de bia frame me back door na ene ni esen ka we say Pastor I like that. In fact I'm always open to learn. I say we are say senior seni back for trim and the ultra sano unim sene chiacha. I hope you understand that.
Of course.
But you know sometimes say oh ha e bia ye ka ni hia tre kakra bi. Nti pastor so de bia no or live oh yeah sorry we preachy I mean sure Pastor Chedan so say we share program in na de bia so ma me comments na we share me well. Okay. Maybe McBans ni me chechia why are there pa Ora Mr. Patterson Ora me chechia pa Ora and then me hu ha but de bia also ye ne wa na ekọ nti also nyame inshallah say we share programming ye be ya was no na edi no de ebeba pa nti mesrem a wo hwe me sisi a no obetimi amam thumbs up na afei ma acknowledge you wo hwe me sisi a mesro o ma me thumbs up a ma acknowledge you mini ama me sisi me thumbs up sisi a Anita the Avon champion the discount shopper o ma me thumbs up enti ebaya enti I was no eba enti Mr. Afari Jan say oh Afari apajanisa nyame sure Afari. Yeah, enti yabaya awards night no right now. I'm say Citi Media. Mr. Mo we dey minimum share. Now forgive me if you don't hear your name. Please, but then this should motivate you to keep sharing the program because they had external auditors to review the whole thing and to come out with these names which I have no inclusion, no involvement or no idea. So please I'll acknowledge you, but then going forward if you want to achieve something, please make sure you share. Please make sure Citi Law, you promote them. And of course, they will acknowledge your hard work. All right, we're going straight to the awards. And of course, I'm not going to mention what we're going to give to them, actually. But there's a special package. And it's going to be shipped, or it's going to be given to people that we mentioned their names, so we've carefully selected them as well. We've got people that are on Facebook, constantly watching on Facebook. They are constantly sharing the program, not just watching, but they are sharing as well. So I mean, if you just watch without sharing, then of course you might not come to their attention. But then one thing I need to note and to make it clear is that Facebook has already sent messages to people, right?
Yes, badges.
Yes. So please, if you know you've received any badge or any award, what's the studio number? Please, give me the studio number, please, quickly, please. Yeah. If you know you've got an award, if you know you've got a badge, please make sure. Thank you very much, Leah. Oh, Leah, that's not the studio number, but that's fine.
I gave you the wrong one.
So, unim say when your badge be from Facebook, because Facebook has selected. Thank you very much. I selected in Crawford. In Crawford, badges. A lot of people have received badges from Facebook for sharing and promoting this program and following this program. So if you've received any of them, please send it to us on the studio number right now, which is right on. Is it on there? Yeah, it should be on the screen. Yeah, it's on the screen there. Or it's 079 3293 4518. 079 3293 4518. The other one is 074 40 33 8623. 074 40 33 8623. If you receive any badge from Facebook, from Citi Law, then that means you need to let us know through this number and you receive a special award. I think a lot of people, about 20. Could that be more than that?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people might have received this badge from Facebook. So this is the Facebook selection that Facebook has specifically selected and given the awards. So please make sure that you send the badge to us, and once we receive it, we will contact you and you will get your award. Please. And very important, Facebook has sent the award among Crawford. Omo share program no mostly no. It's what we Kenya Bibiano. What the Maya numbers na mabobono and I good screen is no. It's wa ubusa become award back on. Afei the young Kasaya auditors are usually more omodiabano. A very important. Now you shall see free. The decline. Auditors no who say, Sir, any power we say, the bia, you be a program piano. Only the first person, of a basso. No basso, so I know encouraging Crawford, please share. No ma in Crawford is our moon share. No ma comment, or you're actively involved. This particular person is involved actively in the program, and she's consistently, or she has been very consistent with it. So is no other person than our one and only Lady Cornelia Frempoma Jima. Lady Cornelia Frempoma Jima.
Wow,
Cornelia, thank you very much. Thomas, dear na Ubeka Citi Law, Mubeka Ache Cornelia. Well, you may dear see any promotion can see or dear mamma any being part of the program. What would you say to Cornelia?
Yes, sadly, he's not made comment tonight, but as you see that probably today is the first time that he has not made comment since we started the show.
Mm-hmm.
So, Cornelia, wherever you are, we are so grateful to you for all that you've been doing to promote this community program.
That's good.
Citi Law Solicitors is so proud of you, and we have a very special award for you. I have your contact, so we'll reach out to you so that you'll be able to receive this award. And I'm sure that you'll be very happy to receive that, because it's very, very special.
Special
award. When
award.
I say special, I mean special.
You know what? When Citi Law says special, it's special. When lawyer Thomas Bebenye says special, it's special. So Cornelia, kudos. Thank you very much for being part of this family or this community that we're building. Thank you. All right. So our next award goes to our dear lady Nana Frima.
Yes.
Nana Frima is here with us. Nana Frima. So lawyer, what would you say to Nana Frima? Nana Frima, what's your award?
Nana Frima is very, very supportive of this program. In fact, there was when we started this program, we didn't even used to share the Facebook link to people. So he said, lawyer, this program is very, very good. I'm so proud of it. So what I want you to do is that create a WhatsApp group and broadcast list so that you can share it to people whenever you
Thomas,
like.
Cornelia is here. Who told you? Look at that. Cornelia is here. She's got her hands up. Oh, all right. Cornelia, we'll come back to you. Another go on.
Yeah, so he said that why did you create West List? Sometimes you create a group, people were excited. I understand why people sometimes say the group because they were inundated with a lot of information and all that, and sometimes it's quite annoying. But obviously, I say it is that was her idea that we created some of the pages that we now forward stuff so that people, and we can see that people watch even though they are unable to come live whenever they are free. They continue to watch. So Nana Frima is a very special person to Citi Law Solicitors.
Oh, good.
We are so proud of her, for her input. And apart from that, she refers clients to us and all that. So we are very, 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 very proud of her.
Thank you very much, Nana Frima.
That's why he has a special award.
Thank you, Nana. So special award. Lawyer, do you have their contacts in a way?
Yes, I do.
Okay, the ones that you don't, I'll take it later on. And of course, we will be able to contact them and get the address and then send it to them. So we're moving on. But then Cornelia has sent a message right now. Says, thank you for putting a smile on my face, even though I'm in Ghana. Cornelia.
I know she's in Ghana, but I didn't want to disclose her location. We actually was going to Ghana. So you can imagine, even in Ghana, he's watching us from Ghana.
Yes.
Promoting the business.
You see,
yes.
Well done, Cornelia. And Nana Frima, we've got a message from Nana too. She says, wow, I'm very grateful. God bless you, Pa. Thank you. And Cornelia is congratulating Nana Frima, saying congrats, Nana. Yes. So we still giving the awards. So the third one goes to, this is for the Facebook, goes to Isaac Darko.
Yes.
Isaac Darko, if you're watching us, if you're listening to the program, you've got an award tonight from Citi Law, Citi Media, and of course, this will be presented to you. Lawyer, do the presentation, please.
Yes, Isaac Darko is also one of our formidable Facebook fans. He's always there every single day, both the tree and the English programs. He's there, and then he shares the program. He also refers clients to us, and he's a very, 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 very supportive of this program. And we are also very, very proud of him. And this is the reason why he came up as one of the award winners. So he has a very special gift that we'll present to him.
Okay, so do you have Isaac's contact?
Yes, I think.
Okay, that's fine. Yes. Isaac, so your present will be posted to you very soon. Okay, so we're moving on. The next one is Douglas Afrifa, senior doggy, amount for Douglas Afrifa. Douglas has been incredible.
Yes.
I'm part of the amount for group, and anytime he receives the notification from myself or yourself, he'll post it there and he'll share it, and he has done it consistently from the beginning. So senior doggy, on behalf of Citi Law Solicitors and Citi Media, I just want to say we appreciate what you've done for us. Thank you very much. Your job is amazing. Please keep on doing what you're doing. Even though you might not be watching it today, I know somebody will tell you that what you do means a lot to us. And of course, I'll contact you personally, take your contact address, and you get your award. What do you want to say to Douglas? I know you know Douglas personally.
Yes, I know Douglas. He's a very fine gentleman. Very generous. I remember one of those days when I was going to Ghana, I had to go and park my car near his house.
Oh, yeah. Yes. He lives near the airport area, isn't it?
Yes. So, obviously, I'm also aware that he's been sharing the program. He's been supporting Citi Law Solicitors.
Good.
And,
good.
He's part of the community and very outstanding member of the community.
Of course.
So we are very, very proud of him.
Of course. Senior Doggy, thank you. And then we're moving on. The next one goes to a lady in Coventry. The name is Juliet Duval on Facebook. Juliet Diva.
Yes.
I showed it to you today.
Yeah.
If you go to her Facebook page, every single program that we've done is there. She has been very amazing. She shares the program more than anyone else. And I think she's very consistent. So Juliet, thank you very much for promoting this business, for promoting this good cause. Thank you. We appreciate what you've done. I'll contact you after the program. I'll take your address and you also receive your award. Thank you very much, Juliet, for what you've done for Citi Law.
Mrs. Akonfirm.
Mrs. Akonfirm. Yes. That's the name. Mrs. Akonfirm. Oh, okay, Mrs. Akonfirm. Thank you very much, Mrs. Akonfirm. Yeah, so we're moving on. The next one is Priscilla White.
Yes.
I see her comments all the time. I see her post all the time. She encourages people to share Priscilla White. What do you want to say to Priscilla White?
Yes, Priscilla White is also a very outstanding member of the Citi Law Community Program. He's always there. I mean, he's very visible. You can't, lose sight of her. She shares the program. She announces it to friends. She also watches us every time we are live, and she makes sure that she makes comments so that we are aware that she's there.
Of course.
We are very, very proud of you, Priscilla White. Fortunately for you, I have your contact and you know the office, so
of course,
obviously you receive your award. We have a very special award for you. We are so grateful to you for what you've been doing for Citi Law Solicitors. So you are one of those people that you've been selected to receive our award tonight. So thank you.
Okay, yeah, so this is the Facebook award winners. If you did not hear your name, please don't be offended. But then this should motivate you, this should encourage you to always share the program, be part of this community. And hopefully we will appreciate you. But then continue to do whatever you're doing to support this program. I know it's not just because of awards that you guys have been following us, but then there's something good in this firm. There's something good in this community that we're building. That is why consistently you all have been following us and have been sharing the program. So please continue to do whatever you're doing. And we are very much appreciative to what you're doing to support this community. All right, we're moving on to our next stage of the award. And that is most referred clients. Referred most clients. So this award goes to people that have referred a lot of people. It's not just watching and then not doing anything, but then people that will make referral to Citi Law. They have indicated, or they have brought somebody out as well that they want to appreciate and acknowledge towards this end of year award that we're doing. So, lawyer, we have Cynthia Ankoma as the award winner for the most, or for referring the most, clients to you.
Yes.
Cynthia Ankoma. I don't know her. So what do you want to say about it?
Yes, Cynthia Ankoma, I want that most Ghanaians, they say that, I don't like Ghanaian lawyer, I like Indian lawyer, because I don't know why they always say that. So Cynthia, somebody took her to an Indian lawyer, they did her case, and then eventually the case came to me. And he got what he was looking for. And in fact, he was so proud. And since then, anytime anybody has a problem, he goes to Citi Law Solicitors. That is where you get your solution.
Yeah.
So, and I can't count the number of people that he has sold us to them.
Good.
He's constantly, everybody in her chair.
Wow.
Wherever she is, he refers people to us. Whenever he hears that they have any issues, so look, go to Citi Law Solicitors. And we are also grateful to God that most of the people that he referred to us, we didn't disgrace. We made sure that we delivered, and then they were also happy. And we are so proud of Cynthia because there is this multiplier effect. Because when the people he referred to us, they also keep on referring people. So we are so proud of her, and it is for this reason that we have selected her to give a special award. If I can say it in three, Cynthia Ankuma. Na study tebi ankofo kan say omo pay Indian lawyer Ghana for lawyer do omo nya de omo sisi some bebre, but oko Indian lawyer do omo ye man akoye pasa oba Ghana lawyer ho oba ye so to yame adom de open no ye ya na the second bibia since then no aboda wura man sa.
Oh good.
Just say nkofo so aja omo ba ye no bia nya de ohwehwe enti no Yadanase, and our friend say, Bonapa, so until say, who will be a fair go for my and you'll be able to me a man award. But in fact, we should more, you can't, lose sight of her because we'll be a 10 beer, everyone of my friends, sisters, 10 beer, it's been going on for a long time since we dealt with. Okay, so that's why we're giving her that award.
Good. Thank you very much, Cynthia. Citi Law is very grateful, and of course, what you've been doing, we have appreciate what you're doing. So keep doing it. Keep making referrals, and then viewers, please make sure you refer to your colleagues, to your friends, to everyone who requires legal support, because I mean it's one of the most best companies in the UK, law firms, and it's taking over because they are specialized in all aspects of law. When you talk about immigration, employment, family law, personal injuries and clinical negligence, commercial disputes and civil litigations, housing law, consumer law, media, everywhere they are covered, and they've got a proven record of making sure that you win your case. Client satisfaction is their best ultimate priority. So make sure that you make all your referrals, and of course, next year, hopefully, God willing, we will be able to acknowledge you as well. So this award goes to Cynthia, and Cynthia, thank you very much. Award well deserved. Thank you. We're moving on. My next one is okay. So that's it for the most referred awards. So we're moving on to radio. You all know that we've added a radio to the media, and Citi Media, that's how we call it, and that embodies the radio, the Facebook, and the YouTube. Now we've got people, they are mostly not on the Facebook, not on YouTube, but they listen to us consistently on the radio. I've been prompted a lot when the radio is on and maybe I'm talking at the background. The person will text me and say, hey, your voice is on the background, please mute your microphone. As unprofessional that could be sometimes. So this person has really done well, and not just one, not just two, but then we've selected two people that we need to acknowledge for being active listeners, for being part of the radio media as well. So the first one goes to my friend, my colleague, my mate, my everything, my brother from another mother. The name is Samuel Afarijai. Whoa. Samuel Afarijai. Sammy, I'm V-mate from University of Ghana, Vandas Hall. V-mate Samuel Afarijai. Sammy, thank you very much. We all mates anyway, but then your motivation, your active listening, your engagement means a lot to us. So tonight, as we do in our awards night, we just want to appreciate you and acknowledge the good work that you've been doing and being part of this extensive community that we're building. So we say God bless you and award well deserved. Thank you very much. What do you want to say to Sam?
Well, Sam, we are so grateful to you. I remember one time when we went live and then we were having some
technical issues.
Yes, we were having some technical issues. And then once we were on the phone trying to resolve the stuff, the radio was on and I was listening, and then she phoned in. He sent me a text message, look, whatever you guys are doing is going in the radio.
Yes, exactly.
I'm very much aware that he enjoys listening to the radio. And I'm not surprised that she came up as the most active listener of the Citi Media Radio. For those of you who don't know that we have radio, we have Citi Media Radio, We normally share the link on our Facebook page whenever we are doing this program. So for whatever reason you cannot watch us live, maybe you're at work, you can't watch us live on Facebook or YouTube, you can also listen to the Citi Media Radio. We don't want everybody to mix out on the free legal advice that we give on both Tuesday and Thursday. So, Afarijan, thank you so much for being
Thank you, Sammy,
and for winning this award.
Thank you, Sammy.
You have
his number. Yeah, of course. I've got his contact details. I mean, I'll give you his number, and then you can send it to his address. Of course. The next one goes to my own senior BM, Senior William Boache. Senior, you've been incredible. I mean, mostly he works at night, but then anytime he's at work, he will give me thumbs up that I've got it on. I'm listening to you. He will put his comment on the radio, and of course, he's been part of this from day one. He's been part of it.
Yes.
Senior BM, he's an old student of Prempeh College. He finished 97. He's been incredible. Senior, may God bless you very much. Thank you very much for supporting this good cause. Thank you for being part of this program, and thank you for being part of this community. I hope you continue to enjoy and be part of us as well. Thank you. Senior BM in North London. If you go to North London, near Ecobank, ask for BM. He's well known, very popular dude. Yeah, BM. Yeah, so thank you very much for sharing this program. So that is the radio awards as well. We're now moving on to the IT support award. And lawyer, I thought you were going to bring some champagne for us to the IT for us to the IT support. Mostly we get technical issues. Sometimes it's technology, and it can go wrong anywhere. BBC, CNN, they all get it. So Citi Media is not first, it's not last. Technical issues is part of technology. There's nothing we can do about it. That is why we have IT gurus, IT icons, people that have specialized in IT to make sure that anytime there are issues, they'll be there to resolve it. So from the time we started, we've been working with a couple of people who have been very supportive in terms of supporting us with our IT. And anytime it goes off, anytime we encounter issues or technical difficulties, they will be there to support us. So we will start with people that started with us. And lawyer is adding a couple of names. So the first person that I will acknowledge is Theodora Zugbanuku.
Yeah, Zogbonuku.
Theodora Zugbanuku. That is a typical Ewe name, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, great. Thank you. I've never met you, but then you've been very supportive, and everything that we do, you are part of it, and you make sure that the system runs perfectly for our viewers and our listeners. So we say thank you very much for being part of this, and you are a special award winner, Theodora.
Let me
go on, lawyer.
Give a little bit of background of Mr. Theodore Zogbonuku.
Oh, sorry, it's Theodore, not Theodora.
Yeah, Theodore.
Oh, Theodore. I remember Theo. Yeah, you call him Theo mostly. Yeah, Theo.
Yes. Theo is a well-learned technician.
Good.
He's the brain behind the studio.
Good.
Most of these gadgets you are seeing here, he's the one that put everything together. So we are very thankful to him. He was once a client, and eventually we became friends, and he's been helping me all the time.
Oh yeah, I mean, I've witnessed mostly we call him
there is a problem,
whether sometime late in the evening, and you still have time, and very patient.
24 hours.
And sometimes we do video calls and stuff like that.
Yes.
And yeah.
So he has a very special award. I have his contact, and I will make sure that.
Thank you very much, Mr. Theo.
Yes.
Mr. Theo, thank you very much. The next one goes to Johnson.
Yes.
So who is Johnson?
Johnson is the one that does all the flyers. All the flyers you see
my
a
days.
beautiful face on the flyer. Yes, Johnson.
Hey, Mr. Johnson, if you're watching me right now, you know what? You're doing an amazing job, but please make sure you change my pictures all the time. Rotate them, you know what I mean? But honestly speaking, you know, somebody called me and asked who's been doing your flyers.
Yes.
The quality of it.
Yeah.
Wow. Well done, my brother. You deserve it. Award well deserved. You really deserve this award. Thank you. Consistently, anytime, whether Tuesday or Thursday, the flyer will be out on time, and then we share it. Viewers, you've been getting the flyers. Anytime we send it with my recent one is with the one with the blue coat, and I'm lawyer there smiling with his big smile. Yeah. So he has been doing it. I mean, this guy is amazing. Thank you very much. You really deserve it, Mr. Johnson. Thank you. All right. The next one goes to Mr. Benjamin Ahen.
Yes.
Mr. Benjamin Ahen.
Yes, Benjamin Ahen is one of the software engineers. So you see these videos going on the screen, and
is he in the UK?
Yes, he is.
Oh, okay.
He's this is his profession, but he's more or less a family. He's been supporting us in various ways. Sometimes when we have problem, we call him. He's very quick to assist, you know. This is the only opportunity for us to acknowledge and appreciate what he's been doing for Citi Law Solicitors. Yes, and I'm sure that most people know him because he's a very learned guy when it comes to all this stuff. So you see these videos, you see you holding the stuff and controlling the studio at the comfort of your seat. It's the being behind all this stuff.
That's
so,
it.
Mr. Ben, wherever you are.
Well done, Mr. Ben. Thank you very much, Mr. Ben. And then I've got Mr. Tanoku.
Yes. Yes, he's also one of those guys that can even arrange people from the US to be assisting through TeamView to be assisting us in the studio.
Is he in US?
No, he's here, but
okay.
He's well connected. He's a marketing officer previously for a company in Ghana, but he's now living here.
Oh, good.
So he's also been very, very helpful. You know, he sometimes also supports with flyers. IT stuff we need in the office. He's always there to help. So great. He's one of those people that we feel that he also deserves some award. Yes.
All right, lawyer, who is the guy that we called last time in America? That was the TeamView.
Yes, it's Tanoku's contact.
Oh, okay. So he's been making contact with people to do that.
Yes.
Well done, Mr. Tanoku. Thank you very much. Because there was a time with somebody in America, an IT guru. He took over the thing with TeamView, and he resolved everything. So through your contacts, we've been getting things resolved. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. I just want to acknowledge Frankie D. DJ Frankie D as well. Yeah. Frankie D is one of our renowned DJs, and he's one of our technical directors. He sorted the radio out and all the equipment, everything. Frankie D was in charge, and he came here a couple of times to fix it. He's been very supportive, and from the time that he fixed the radio, we haven't had a single issue with it. Consistently, Citi Media is live. Thank you very much, Frankie D. Thank you. We acknowledge you tonight. Tomorrow he's in a special program at you know what from cross that place? Rhapsodies. Rhapsodies. So Frankie D will be there to support you tomorrow. Yeah, lawyer, are you going?
Of course.
Yeah, he sent the invitation anyway. So tomorrow evening, we'll be there, Senior Frankie D, one of our renowned, one of the top DJs. Anytime I get issue as a DJ, he's my first point of contact. Great. A couple of times I've been playing in abroad. I went to Denmark and I had issue with my drive. Before I start the program, my drive fell on the floor, and that's it. I lost all my music, but he sorted me out straight away. You know what I mean? So he's a very lovely person. He's a nice chap. Frankie, thank you very much, and you get something special when we come and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah. So viewers, these are the people that have been awarded tonight. If you did not get any award, please don't be offended. As I said earlier on, make sure you continue to support us. And then one day, your luck will shine. Because we, as lawyer said earlier on, we can't award everybody. I like this comment that this lady has put on is very touching. Hold on 1 second. I saw it earlier on. Hold on. I'm trying to get it. Yeah, Karen. Karen says, God willing, next year I will work hard for my. Karen, you know what? You were doing very well. But I think she came in the middle of, you know what I mean?
In the middle of the show.
Yeah.
Yes.
So make sure you share it. As you're watching it, you share it consistently. And of course, you get your award. And for those of you who have received the badge from Facebook, please don't forget to send the badge to us for your award. The number is 07932934518. 07932934518. There's another one, is 07440338623. Please send us a badge and you get your award. Thank you very much. Lawyer, it's Christmas. Christmas means time to celebrate, time to wish people well. So, before we leave this studio, I want you to send your last message to people. I want you to wish people that you want to wish them Merry Christmas, and anything that you've got for your clients, and of course, for people who are watching. Thank you.
Yes, thank you all. My first thanks goes to Citi Law Solicitors. We have a couple of people we've been working with. Obviously, my partner, Cynthia, who was always in the office doing most of the work. We have a viewer who has also joined us, and all the staff who are working for Citi Law Solicitors. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for what you've been doing for our clients, to make sure that we retain these clients and get the best outcome for them. And again, I want to thank our viewers, our fans, our followers who have been always supportive of this program. You know, we started this program not too long ago, but obviously, sometimes when I receive some calls and people say that, oh, I watch your Facebook, YouTube, it amazes me how far this program has gone. And it's all because of most of you who have been sharing the shows. And I promise you next year is going to be quite different. We are always trying to improve the service we provide to you, including all the shows we'll be doing on this platform. So I urge you all to continue to join us whenever we are live. And I want to say that there are a lot of you out there who probably will not have received an award tonight. But we appreciate you. We can't award everybody. But obviously, there will be another opportunity for us to award you guys. So if any of you have not received an award, or if there is an oversight from the team who collated these outstanding members, we say that obviously there's going to be an opportunity for us to award you guys. So don't be offended, as MC Jaka pointed out, if you didn't receive an award tonight. Keep working hard. If you come live, make sure you put comments, make sure you share the videos. And obviously we're going to have another opportunity to award you. So I want to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas, and obviously if we don't come live again, I'm sure you will still see my face here. If you don't see my face here, I wish all of you a Happy New Year. And that's my Christmas message for you, that God will see us through, and then the coming year will be a better year for all of us.
All right. Thank you very much, Leah. So I've got a couple of messages that I want to read. From Amma Akuya Ajimaidia, that is my sister Barbara. She said, I just heard my name on your program. So I thought she was someone else, but it's Eku. Eku is watching. Pastor Che Danso. Pastor says, your dressing is on point. Thank you very much, Pastor. we are celebrating, Christmas today. So please make sure, Pastor, I'll contact you. Definitely. We will talk back door, Pastor. Thank you for your support. Anyway, Pastor Chedon. So, hold on 1 second. Yeah. So I've got Happy New Year, bro. That is from in Copenhagen. Copenhagen. Thank you very much, Iceman. Eric Nyako says, don't forget me.
I knew there's going to be a problem. I knew it.
Who is Eric Nyako?
How can, oh my God.
Lawyer, a lot of people, you have to be back there.
Eric,
you have to be back there.
Eric, you are not forgotten. I'm sure there was a mistake somewhere. I'm surprised your name was not. Eric is very, very outstanding. Every time he's there, he shares the video. And he's a very fine gentleman. Eric.
So put him on the list then.
Yes, I'm going to add your name to the list.
Yeah.
I'm going to.
I mean, if you just, this is professional judgment. Yes.
Eric Yanko is very outstanding. Eric, I have your contact. I'll make sure that the firm sends your award to you. You receive your award. I've added your name. I've used my prerogative to add your name.
Of course. I mean,
to add your name
to override it,
yes,
and then make sure that you put his name, because
yes. I've put his name there on the Facebook list. So he's one of those people that has been very, very supportive.
Hold on. Let me continue with the messages. A couple of people have sent messages, and I need to acknowledge all of them before I sign up. Uncle, your ex must wear. Okay, that's fine. I've read already. Kwame is your own sister, Eku. Yes, Barbara. Eku, thank you very much. I've seen you now. Thank you. I'm watching you live from Comerica, Uncle Peter. Nana ya also frifa. Okay, I've read your message already. Hold on. Safo Kantanka. God bless you. God bless you too, Safo. Abrantepa Kwame sorry. That is brother. My uncle has an uncle. Yes, of course. Ubia or the master. I've got my uncle too. Yes. Georgina Ajay. Hello, lawyer from Auntie Jenna.
Yes.
From Croydon.
Remember when
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May you keep progressing.
Remember when we started the program? It's one of the names that I mentioned. It's
yes.
Also always there.
Good. Thank you very much, Auntie.
Auntie Georgina, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for always being there and sharing the program and promoting the business. We are very, very proud of you. And
then Cornelia is saying, thank you. Cornelia is amazing. In Ghana, she's Cornelia. You know what? You meant to be enjoying yourself back home, but then you see, you're here watching us and sharing the program and making sure everybody. Oh, so I'm back on. Nana Yao Owusu Afrifan says, oh, I won't sleep tonight. Chai, share. He got an award tonight.
Yeah, he got an award. Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Priscilla White.
He's also an award winner. I think he's one of those people that they put her name on the list.
Okay. Frank Jomo, which is my main man, I see in Copenhagen. I see is watching from Copenhagen. Thank you very much, Iceman. Merry Christmas. For a long time. Keep in touch. Please keep in touch. And Gitano says, next year, Big Stone and Big Stone will win the best watching and listening pair. Try and fix in that award, please. Don't worry, Senior Big Stone. You know what? You came in, but then there was a bit too late. Don't worry. I know you've been very consistent. So definitely looking forward to the future. And I know it's very bright for you and Big Stone. But then I salute you and your wife. Big up to you at Accra, Mr. Leboko, and wife, Mary in Belgium at the moment. I know you guys are listening to us as well. Please, my regards to all the family. Big ups to you all. Priscilla White, we are all winners. Yes, of course, everybody is a winner. Okay. Nana Frema, thanks so much for honoring us. May God reward you too. Georgina Ajay is saying amen. Nanaya also Fifa ending the year with an award. Yes, so of course. So viewers, it's been very insightful, very great. Lawyer gave an update on the comment or the speech of the Home Secretary, and after that we continue with the award. So we're signing off at the moment. Thank you everyone If for some reasons we were unable to mention your name, please forgive us. Please continue to watch us and share the program for a good cause. The most important thing is that we are one big family and one big community. And I hope this community grows beyond imagination. I would like to extend my warm greetings and Happy New Year to each and everyone, most especially DJ Papalupa Indicus the Papacy, to my family, everyone in my household, my wife Jackie, my kids, Jarrell, Josiah, Jeremiah, all the children, everyone in the household. I wish you all happy, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And then also to my friends, Nanada Mwabafu, TK, Ura, all my crew in Hackney. I wish you all Merry Christmas. God willing, we're going to meet on 27th in Hackney to celebrate Ameniampong Kruye Kuo end of year party. So please, if you are part of the Mampong fraternity Ameniampong, please make sure you don't miss it. Come to Hackney Ravestone House to enjoy with us. I would like to greet everyone, and I would like to extend warm wishes to each and everyone watching me. I can't mention names again, but thank you for being part of this program. We love you all. We're going to continue with our celebration. So wherever you are, please make sure you grab a glass of wine, water, anything that you can drink, and then enjoy and celebrate with us. It's a new year. It's Christmas. Please make sure you celebrate to the best of your ability. God willing, we're going to see each other this year. And I wish you all the best. Lawyer, do you have any other thing to say?
No, I think
you've exhausted
I'm just full of praise.
Oh, thank you.
The fans out there, and I want to say that this list that has come out, I feel that it's not inclusive of everybody that I expect that should have received an award.
Yeah.
So I want to say that nobody should take offense. Obviously, we know that there are a lot of you out there who have been promoting and sharing this video. So next time we'll make sure that you equally get an award. So I want to thank you all for.
Thank you very much. And also, Mami Eunice in Manchester. Thank you very much. I know you've been watching and sharing. Keep doing what you're doing, Eunice. We love you. Thank you very much. And everyone, I meet people on the street. They come to me and say, Chaka, we love your program. You guys are doing very good. You guys are getting big. Thank you very much. It's because of you, because you watch and you share. We'll be here talking to ourselves if you guys will not be there. So thank you very much, and we appreciate you. God bless you all. We hope, God willing, next year we will meet again. Now we're on a short break for the Christmas festive and the New Year, but then we'll be back, and obviously you get the update as soon as we come back. So, Happy New Year, and I'll say, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.